Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So after many days I'm uploading a very important video related to ICT and higher education. So we all know that the Human Resource Development Ministry is now known as Ministry of Education. So the Union HRD Minister, HRD मतलब Human Resource Development Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal launches a web portal Yukti. Yukti's full form is Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation in New Delhi. लॉन्चेस ए वेब पोर्टल का नाम क्या है? युक्ति. Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation in New Delhi. The portal aims to monitor and record the effects and initiatives of MHRD which have been taken in the wake of COVID-19, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay, so now we will go further into this web portal, that is Yukti. I hope it is clear to everyone as I'm showing you this thing from my laptop, so kindly adjust. The Minister for HRD Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a web portal Yukti, Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Information and Innovation. Today in New Delhi, it is a unique portal and dashboard to monitor and record the efforts and initiatives of MHRD. The portal intends to cover the different. Wait a second. Let me take it. It's hiding here. The portal intends to cover the different dimensions of COVID-19 challenges in a very holistic and comprehensive way. Speaking on the occasion, Union Minister said that in the wake of COVID-19 threat, our primary aim is to keep our academic community healthy both physically and mentally and to enable a continuous high quality learning environment for learners. This portal is an effort of HRD Minister to achieve this goal in these difficult times. तो युक्ति का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? What is the objective, guys? Its primary aim is to keep our academic community healthy. तो एकेडमिक कम्युनिटी को फिजिकली और मेंटली हेल्दी रखने का ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस वेब पोर्टल का, जिसका नाम है युक्ति. इसका फुल फॉर्म आपको पूछ सकते हैं एग्जाम में. Let me zoom it. Shri Pokhriyal informed that it will cover the various initiatives and efforts of the institutions in academics research, especially related to COVID, social initiatives by the institutions and the measures taken for the betterment of the total well-being of the students. So एजुकेशन को लेकर ही स्टूडेंट्स में मेंटली और फिजिकल हेल्थ बनाए रखने का उद्देश्य है युक्ति का. नाउ लेट्स सी आईसीटी इन हायर एजुकेशन. सो हिंदी में भी है, इंग्लिश में भी है. Digital revolution is bringing up a tremendous changes in every walks of our life, including the higher education landscape. Every institute is taking various initiatives in promoting digital education. So हर तरफ जहाँ पर भी आप देखेंगे डिजिटल एजुकेशन को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है. In India, Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD), which is now currently known as the Ministry of Education (MOE), is responsible for the overall development of higher education sector, both in terms of policy and planning. So आप हिंदी में भी देख सकते हैं. Under a planned development process, the department looks after expansion of access and qualitative improvement in the higher education through world-class universities, colleges, and other institutions through various digital initiatives in higher education. One of the most visible effects of ICT advancements is the knowledge revolution. The knowledge once that was accessible only to the elite section of the society is now available to each and every section. मतलब पहले जो बस रिच पीपल को ही मिलते थे वो अब आईसीटी के वजह से हर किसी को मिल रहा है. तो इसमें कुछ खास याद करने वाली या कुछ खास ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है. So I'm scrolling down. The applications of ICT has helped in making lessons easy for educators, more data at fingertips, easy search and sorting of contents. Use of visual media. Learning is effective when combined with visual and audible media. Animators can produce curiosity igniting videos. Animation वाले videos सबको अच्छे लगते हैं क्योंकि उसमें आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आती है बातें. Augmented reality AR. It provides students and teachers the opportunity to create layers of digital information that includes both virtual world and real world elements to interact with the real time. मतलब जब फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप 5D सिनेमा देखने जाते हैं 3D या 3D में 5D तो पता नहीं शायद कुछ कुछ जगह में होगा. तो 3D में जब आप गॉगल्स पहनते हैं तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो वास्तव में आपके साथ हो रहा है. मतलब शेर आ रहा है तो आपको लग रहा है कि आपके पास से ही गुजर के चला गया. तो मतलब आप रियलिटी और वर्चुअल रियलिटी दोनों को मिक्स कर रहे हैं. सो यू आर क्रिएटिंग layers of digital information that includes both virtual world and real world elements to interact with in real time. Alternate teaching approaches. Flipped classroom. तो flipped classroom का मतलब क्या है कि क्लासरूम में जो होता है नेचुरली वो नहीं होना. मतलब क्लासरूम में क्या होता है बेसिकली टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं और वो होमवर्क देते हैं बच्चों को कि आप जाओ घर में होमवर्क करके ले आओ, नेक्स्ट दिन मैं चेक करके दूंगी. तो फ्लिप्ड क्लासरूम में ऐसा नहीं होता है. फ्लिप्ड क्लासरूम में क्या होता है कि आप होमवर्क घर पे नहीं करते हैं, आप वो वर्क या होमवर्क आप क्लास में करते हैं और घर में क्या करते हैं, घर में आप पढ़ाई करते हैं. मतलब टीचर आपको टॉपिक्स दे देते हैं, आंसर्स लिखा देते हैं और आप घर में पढ़ते हैं. आप खुद पढ़ते हैं और काम जो होता है होमवर्क या क्लास वर्क वो आप क्लास में आकर करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ फ्लिप्ड क्लासरूम. तो फ्लिप्ड क्लासरूम बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि इट एंगेजेस द लर्नर्स मोर. एंगेज्ड करके रखता है स्टूडेंट्स को. कंप्यूटर सपोर्टेड कोलैबोरेटेड लर्निंग. ये एक नेटवर्क फेनोमेनन के रूप में अध्ययन है. इट इज़ अ लर्निंग एज ए नेटवर्क फेनोमेनन. ई-लर्निंग 2.0. द आइडिया ऑफ लर्निंग थ्रू डिजिटल कनेक्शंस एंड पीयर कोलैबोरेशन enhanced by technologies driving web. It is a form of informal learning. Linear learning refers to self-paced learning activities delivered on a computer or handheld device such as a tablet or smartphone. सेल्फ पेस्ड मतलब आप अगर लाइव नहीं देख पा रहे तो आप अपने एक कोई फ्री टाइम में आप वीडियोस देखकर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। मतलब लाइव वीडियोस नहीं देख रहे, सेल्फ पेस्ड मतलब खुद की आराम वाराम को आगे देखकर, प्रायोरिटी देकर आप, ताकि आप आराम से पढ़ सकें। That refers to self-paced learning activities delivered on computer. Example, the apps offered by educational ventures like GradeUp Learning app, Byju's Learning app, Unacademy. आप तब ना देखकर आप रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस देख रहे हैं तो दैट इज लीनियर लर्निंग। नॉलेज रिवोल्यूशन। Knowledge revolution. The knowledge revolution comes with accessibility and availability of the teaching resources. Streaming audio over the internet with webcast and podcast and sharing platforms like YouTube में चैनल्स में आप पढ़ा रहे हैं तो that is the knowledge revolution. ये पहले कहाँ होता था? So that's a kind of revolution. Open courseware OCW gives the free public access to information used in undergraduate and graduate programs of distinguished institutes. Massive open online course, for example Swayam, हम सबको पता है, right? Massive open online course MOOCs have significantly expanded the reach of formal education. So now we will be going through the very important ICT initiatives. The first one we all know, National Mission of Education through ICT. The National Mission of Education through Information and Communication Technology NMEICT was launched with the aim of improving the quality of education using the ICT. Over the last 5 years, the NMEICT has made significant gains by developing IT interventions that have potential to change the higher education scenario. Below is the list of various digital initiatives in higher education launched and dedicated to the nation in the field of higher education. Swayam. Swayam is designed in such a way that it will help in achievement of 3 cardinal principles of education policy. 3 cardinal principles, that is access, equity and quality. Access, equity and quality. The objective of Swayam is to take the best teaching, learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. Swayam has 4 quadrants. They are so I think it is by mistake that's not there. So I will tell you what are the Swayam's 4 quadrants in some other class as it's not here. So let's now study Sarthak. What is Sarthak? Wait. Implementation Plan for National Education Policy. Sarthak. Sarthak full form is Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education. Let's repeat with me. Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education. Recently, the Education Minister released an indicative and suggestive implementation plan for school education called Sarthak. So Sarthak deals with school education. We all know that MHRD, that is the Ministry of Education, has 2 parts. One is the school education and the other one is the higher education. So Sarthak is related to school education. What is Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education for Sarthak? launched in pursuance of the goals of National Education Policy 2020 and to assist the states and the union territories in this task. The program aims at providing an all-round development for the students at the primary and secondary level. It will also establish a safe, secure, inclusive, and conducive learning environment for students as well as teachers. The major focus is to define activities in such a manner which clearly delineate goals, outcomes, and time frame. That is, it links recommendation of NEP with 297 tasks along with responsible agencies, timelines, and 304 outputs of these tasks. The plan is being implemented to meet the following aims of NEP 2020. It will pave way for curriculum reforms. Curriculum reforms होगा इसमें, including किसमें होगा, सार्थक में, including new national and state curriculum framework for school education as well as early childhood care and education. The program will focus on the improvement of the enrollment ratio of children. ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट रेशियो के ऊपर फोकस दिया जाएगा. इट विल प्रोवाइड एक्सेस टू क्वालिटी ECCE एंड यूनिवर्सल एक्विजिशन ऑफ फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी बाय ग्रेड 3. क्लास 3 के अंदर ही क्या होगा, यूनिवर्सल एक्विजिशन ऑफ फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी. It will implement vocational education, sports, arts, knowledge of India 21st century skill. Okay, it will focus on experimental learning. It will also improve the quality of teacher education programs. Samarth. Now another one is the Samarth. Samarth. Now what is Samarth? We will be studying in our next session. See, I am showing you Samarth, then TEQIP, then Swayam Prabha, PM E-Vidya, Diksha, AICTE, so there are many things. So guys, I will keep this video short and I will come up with all the other things in my next video. So till then, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel. It's a request. So bye.